today's kitchen skill, I'm going to chop a pineapple. To tell if a pineapple is ripe, if you try and pull one of the stalks out of the very top of the pineapple, if it comes out easily, generally that's ripe. Also, it should be soft to touch here. So first of all, I'm going to cut off the head. Then I usually cut the other end. And I'm going to work my way down around the outside. So I don't want to remove too much flesh, but I want to get it where remove all the little spiky bits. When chopping, you want to try and work on a flat surface. So if you half it, then put it down on the flat surface, cut it into quarters, and then I would cut in at a little angle and I would remove the heart of the pineapple. That can be used if you're making water kefir and flavouring the second ferment of the water kefir. Otherwise, I don't tend to use it. So now I would cut it into 3 little pieces and then into cubes like that. If you come across any bits like that, you can just remove those. Thanks for watching today's video on how to chop a pineapple. Please like and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to be the first to receive my new recipes and kitchen skills videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.